Joe wants to hang a 13.09 feet wide painting on a room wall, which is 25.9 feet in width. When the painting is hanged, he wants it so that it is centered on the wall. How much margin should he leave on the left so that the figure is centered? Let's visualize this. First, I will make a rectangle, and that would be the room wall. And we know that here, all the way to the other end in width, is 25.9 feet in width. And for the painting, here's the painting. And remember, it has to be centered. The painting is about this much. And the painting is from here, one end to the other, here to here. And that's 13.09 feet. Okay. Now, let me ask you something. What are we trying to find out? Well, it's trying to find out how much margin Joe should leave on the left so that the figure is centered. So he's asking for how wide this portion is. Now I want to think about the word centered. So it feels centered on a wall. What does it mean when it says centered? Centered, it means it's on the middle of the wall, so that on the left side there's this much space, and on the right side there's this much space, and those two amounts of space are equal to each other. So that means that this question mark is going to be the same as this question mark right here. Now we're going to make the equation of solving for the margin. I'll just first minimize this. Okay. So we know that it's this, and we first need to subtract this painting space away from the 25.9, and then we use that difference, which is going to be the sum of this space and this, and divide it by 2 to just find 1/2 of that difference of the space. So 25.9 minus 13.09 divided by 2. 25.9 minus 13.09 is going to be, well, we could think of 90 minus 9. That's 81, so on the right side of the decimal place. And then 25 minus 13, that is 8. Wait, sorry. And that is 12. We divide that by 2. So we divide that by 2. We start with the 12. 6, 4, 0, 5. So the answer is that he should leave 6.405 feet of margin on the left.